Hi there, my name is Teagan and I teach science, math, and English. I was always the type of person that said I wasn't a math person. Actually, I really love the languages on top of science. But I've learned that all of those different subjects seem really distant and separate from one another when you're in high school. But as you go through university and then when you look even past that towards your future career, you realize how they all kind of come together and you'll slowly learn how to build off of those maybe less strong strengths that you might not have yet. And you build them up. And although they are scary and I still struggle with math and I still from time to time tell myself that I'm not a math person, I remember how far I've come and I remember how it's important to learn these skills and anyone can do it. It's just a matter of being patient with yourself and kind with yourself and really being persistent and not giving up, even though it feels like you really want to at times. I know the feeling of starting in a course or a program that feels really scary and intimidating. I had to take two courses in calculus in my first year. And like I mentioned, I'm not a math person at all. So that was really difficult to get through. But the feeling of slowly getting better and better every week is really rewarding. And to be part of that process and help kind of streamline that and eliminate the stress and the anxiety that comes along with learning a difficult subject, that's something that I really want to do and something that's really rewarding to me. I'm a very visual person and I'm a very procedural person. And so, in the majority of my classes, what I found worked best was for me to pull up my whiteboard. I actually have it right here, my trusty whiteboard, and I'll use different colors and stuff. And yeah, just kind of like map out stuff and draw stuff so that it's something that I can kind of visualize in my head during a test. And it's really easy for me to figure out the line of reasoning and retain it versus just memorizing terms and the definitions with flashcards. Professors that made a lasting impact on me, and it's because they made the classrooms really fun. You can tell the teachers that enjoy, especially in university, the professors that enjoy teaching and those that kind of are just doing it because it's part of their job. And the ones that were fun were the ones that would do lots of interactive class discussion, really didn't make it feel like we were in a classroom anymore, but rather that we were, out somewhere with friends discussing really cool topics. And there was no pressure to engage in them, but you felt almost like you wanted to. My molecular biology prof came to a lecture that we had on Halloween in a full Spider-Man costume. And so we all found that really fun. And so, finding ways to make science fun is a big passion of mine, and it has a big difference when it comes to education as well, in my opinion.